and simple machines. Children, machines are the device that make our work easier. We use many types of simple machine at our home like scissors, knife, mixers, grinders, etc. Today we are going to study about a simple machine, that is lever. See, this is lever. A lever is a rigid bar or a rod which is fixed at a point called fulcrum. Lever has three main points: effort, fulcrum and load. Fulcrum is the point at which the lever is fixed. It is fixed at a one point, that is called the fulcrum. This is fulcrum. And effort is the point at which we are applying the force to lift the load. When we are applying force, see, the load is lifted. So lever can be of three kinds: first class, second class and the third class lever. You can see this is the load, and we pick this load by applying effort on the other side. When we apply effort here, see, the load is picked up, and the distance between the fulcrum and the effort is called the effort arm, and the distance between the fulcrum and the load is called the load arm. This is the load arm, this is effort arm. The distance between the fulcrum and the effort. You can see in this first case, the effort arm, the distance between the effort and the fulcrum, the effort arm is longer. So it is easier to lift the load. You can easily lift the load as the effort arm is longer. See, in this second case, the effort arm, this is the effort arm, this is the load arm. The effort arm and the load arm both are same. So it is neither difficult nor easy to lift the load. And see, in this third case, we can see the effort arm is smaller and the load arm is bigger. So see, I am applying more force to lift the load. So in the case when the effort arm is small, we have to apply more force to lift the load. By changing the position of the load, fulcrum and effort, lever can be divided into three classes: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. As you see, in this case, the fulcrum is in between. A fixed point fulcrum is in between. So this is the lever of the first class, in which fulcrum is between the load and the effort. Same way, these two things also, their fulcrum is in between, so they are also lever of first class. So in lever of second class, the load is in between the effort and the fulcrum. In the same way, in the lever of third class, the effort is in between the fulcrum and the load. So let us see the example of first class of lever. See, this is the fulcrum where the lever is supported, and on one side the effort is applied and the load is picked up. When we are applying effort on one side, the load is picked up, and when we are applying effort on other side, the load is picked up from the other side. So the lever is supported at the fixed place, that is fulcrum. So seesaw is a very good example of a first class of lever.